Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about all of my empties for the past couple months. I haven't done a video like this. I feel like it's been since the summer, so clearly I have a lot of products. I have a ton of skincare, hair care, and makeup in here that I'm going to share with you and go through and let you know if you should buy them or not. So first I'm going to start off by talking about my favorite shampoo and conditioner, and they just happen to be from the drugstore. These are the Garnier Fructis Hydra Purify. I'm already on like my second or my third shampoo and my second conditioner. These are incredible. You guys have to get your hands on them. You can also get a jumbo size of the shampoo at Walmart, which is like $3. It makes my hair look so amazing. I love this stuff. As we're talking about shampoo, I'm going to talk about this Eva NYC Soften Up Conditioner. I had the shampoo somewhere, but I obviously don't have it now. I don't like this stuff. I don't. It makes my hair look really like gritty, and it didn't really feel like my hair was clean afterwards, so I don't recommend this. But a product that I do like from them is their Freshen Up Dry Shampoo. This is an incredible dry shampoo. It's the only one that I will use, and I just repurchased this on Amazon. This is the Method Body Peony Rosewater Pink Sea Salt Pure Peace Body Wash. Oh my gosh, that's a long one. So what I actually do is I have a pump bottle in my shower and I just pour it all in. So even though I have the empty container, I actually still have a little bit more in my shower. I really like this brand. I got this at Loblaws. They have so many other scents that I like. They have men's scents as well, which I think Wes uses, and I really like the rose one. These right here are the Glossier Cotton Rounds, and these were like $5. I think I added these to my cart because I was $5 away from free shipping, and shipping was like $8, so I was like, I might as well get these. I'm all done them, and I'm actually finished with using regular cotton rounds. I'm going to, well, I've already started using reusable cotton pads. So if you guys want to learn more about reusable cotton pads so that you don't create so much waste throughout your skincare routine, then follow me on Instagram because I have so much information on these cotton rounds that I really like to use from Amazon. But I'm all done this, and I'm obviously not going to repurchase them. This right here is the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm, and yeah, something happened with this. I haven't been wearing a lot of eye makeup or liquid lipsticks lately. That's usually when I will use this, so I haven't used this in a very long time, and in turn what happened was it actually went bad. You can see it up here, and I've actually already repurchased this because I do like the feeling, and it just takes off my makeup super easily. But just be aware that if you leave it for too long, especially a product like this where I'm scooping my hands in, the bacteria, it's not too good. So I really like this product, but obviously I have to toss this one. Another Glossier product, this is the Milky Jelly Cleanser, and this is the conditioning face wash. I really liked this, but I actually like my Youth to the People Kale Cleanser or the Superfood Cleanser a little bit better. That one's a little bit more softer on my skin and I can lather it a little bit better, but they both take off makeup really well, and I like that one a little bit better. I actually still have a mini version of this that I use for traveling because it's just really easy when it's a plastic bottle, it has a pump, and it's miniature. This right here is the rose water that I use. I just get it at a health food store, and I think you can get it at on Amazon as well. I mean, what can't you get on Amazon? But I love this because I will actually pour this into a spray bottle that I like. I actually keep my Tatcha bottles and I just reuse those. I have a few of them around, but they're actually only filled with rose water. I love this stuff. I will finish off my skincare routine with it, and it'll just lock in all the moisture. It's amazing. I actually finished this quite a while ago. That's making me think that this has been a while since we've done this video. This is the Kale Spinach Green Tea Hydraulic Acid from Youth to the People. This cream was so moisturizing, and it just smelled really good, and it smelled so clean and fresh. And yeah, I've been done it for like quite a bit, and I really love every single product that I've got from Youth to the People. I especially love their cleanser, which I just talked about, and their Dream Mask, which is a brand new product from them. Everyone's been raving about it on Instagram, and it's true. It's actually that amazing. So this is actually a really great light moisturizer as well. I tend to use this in like the summertime a little bit more. I need a little bit more moisture in the winter, which is why I like the Dream Mask. Okay. Ew, it's so sticky. Okay, so this is a sample. I thought I should talk about it because I've been trying to find an eye cream that I really like, and this is the Kiehl's eye cream treatment with avocado, and I'm actually done this. It's actually so disastrous, but I really liked this. It was a really thick moisturizing eye cream. A tiny little bit went such a long way, but I think that I like more of a gel consistency in an eye cream just because it's a little bit lighter for my under eyes. And then I also, oh my god, it's a disaster. And then I finished up the Clinique All About Eyes. Now this is like a little mini sample size, I think. I liked this, but it didn't really do anything for my eyes. So I'm not gonna repurchase it, but I mean, I finished it. 2 eyebrow pencils I finished. This is the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil, and this is the Benefit Precisely My Brow. Both of them I like for different reasons. This has a really fine tip, and this one is just easy, quick and easy to get the job done. Both of them really good. This one's obviously like $32. This one's only $2. So you can kind of make a decision on which one you want to buy. I do have a video comparing these two on my brows, so if you guys want to see that, then I will leave that in the cards above. 2 mascaras that I went through. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, just a mini tube. I use this for traveling a lot, so it makes sense that I finished this up. And then this one actually became a favorite of mine. This is the Smashbox Super Fan Fanned Out Mascara, and this is such a really good, like, volumizing, lengthening mascara that I loved for like going out. It wasn't so much like an everyday thing for me because it was so dramatic, but if I'm going out, like, this is incredible. I do find, I mean, you can hear there's still product in there, but it does kind of get a little clumpy around the top. So I actually got a mini version of it because I figured that will dry out a little bit quicker and the product won't be as goopy. And then the very last product that I finished, ew, something must have like dripped because this is gross. The very last product that I went through, and this is so long ago that this happened. This is my butter bronzer. I finished this quite a long time ago. Someone actually mentioned that I should repress it. I repressed it and it was a disaster. And so it still looks like there's product in here, but it's very, very little and it's so powdery. So I just gave up on it. It doesn't even close anymore. Ew, it's so sticky. I'm using a brand new one now, but this one I did finish up, which I've actually never finished a bronzer or a blush before, so that was pretty cool. Okay, so that completes my Empties video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it and kind of got some insight on what I really like and what I will be repurchasing. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!